Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Render. Recently, the price of Render has broken down the support of this descending triangle, and after that, we had a big drop, and the price then retested the previous resistance of this down channel that we have already broken out, and it has retested this resistance of the channel as support, and the price and is now geared up. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this descending triangle was here that was approximately at this long-term support of $3.40, and you can see that the price then dropped slightly more than that. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happening here in the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel. By the way, we have been following this channel, and I've been showing you this channel even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, our target will be here at the top of the channel somewhere between $8 to $10, and you can see that the price then has rallied beyond that target. By the way, from this though to here, it rallied more than 4,950%, almost 5,000%, but found a very strong resistance here. That is a complete resistance zone from $12.50 to $3.85. And after the rejection by this resistance, the price then was tagged inside this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish cipher pattern that render formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 70% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this descending triangle. And after the breakdown, we had a big drop. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown was here at this support of $3.40. And you can see that the price then tested the support and geared up and also tested the previous resistance of the channel, this channel that we have already broken out, and it tested the previous resistance channel as support, and now the pricing is geared up. Now, in case of a successful retest of this support, it can soon hit this long-term resistance of $8. Once again, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here in the month of November 2021, when the formation of this very long-term down channel was begun. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of render. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, by the way, then you can see that recently for several days it has been working as a resistance here, this $8, and support here for several days and resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, you can see that we have already broken out the channel and retested the previous resistance of the channel as support. And if the price then starts another reversal, then the technical target will be again here at the top of the channel. Over there, we have a quite long-term resistance on as well. That is somewhere between $12.50 to $3.85. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.